Why does it take so long to get a quote for your small business insurance? Good question. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I am the founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. And if you like these videos and think that more of them could help you manage the insurance for your small business, please click that subscribe button. And if you want to just help us a little bit, pound that like button. That helps YouTube show this video to more people, so more small business owners like yourself can get this information. And we appreciate whatever support you can give us. All right, back to your question. Why does it take so long to get a small business insurance quote for your business? Well, that's kind of a loaded question, because what we've solved for here at Rogue is reducing the amount of time that it takes, up in some cases to minutes, to get a quote for small business and matching you with the best companies in the industry. So I'm incredibly biased, but I do want to be very transparent and answer your question to the best of my ability. In general, the process of getting a quote traditionally for really any business, but small business in particular, is very manual. People in some cases are still hand filling out paper applications, scanning them into computers or faxing them to companies, and that process just takes time. And then you have another human at the insurance company who's then taking that information in, maybe rekeying it into a computer. It's a laborious process. And thankfully, through the technology investments that we've made here at Rogue, we've using APIs and all kinds of modern technology, we've been able to, remove all those really terrible steps. But traditionally, that's what would happen. So to get a quote back in a few days was quick in that standpoint. And really, based on how much work an underwriter would have or a company would have, you'd be looking at, more like a week or 2 weeks to get a quote back. So I personally have felt that is completely unreasonable, mostly because you're busy. Small business owners, small business professionals are busy, right? Like, this is a big part of the problem, is that you wear many different hats, and to think that you're gonna answer a whole bunch of questions, often way too many questions, to get a quote back in a few weeks, you've forgotten what you said. You've moved on to 10 other things, problems that you have to solve in your business. And when you finally get it back, you got to recalibrate your brain and try to figure out what's going on and make a decision. And that process stinks. So the answer to your question is, it shouldn't take long, right? It does, because traditionally it was done manually. And that's not the way it should be moving forward, at least what we believe. We believe you can have a human optimized experience. That is a terrible term, which basically means we try to match the best pieces of digital with the best pieces of human agents, of real insurance agents, mash them together so that they can be put into the process in the places where they add the most value, so that you get a quick turnaround on your quote with the same professional advice that you would get if you were sitting in someone's office face to face. And that's what we do here at Rogue. So if that's the kind of relationship that you're interested in, if you'd like faster turnaround, more transparency, while still working with a professional agent, then give us a call, 518-960-6600. You can also start the process at roguerisk.com. So go to roguerisk.com today, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video or in the description, which will allow you to contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.